hindi ko dala yung jacket mo, Gail.
Hindi mo dala, so sinadya mo hindi dalhin?
Kailangan ko pa eh. Pambukas ko na lang isa sa uli. I forgot about the jacket.
I think kailangan na natin mag-exchange ng numbers para ipaalala sa'yo ang jacket na yan.
Mas maigi na. Here,
Ayan, I already saved my number. Just call or text me, ha?
I will. Gail. Can we,
Can we?
can we extend our conversation? As in, ngayon na. Bitin eh.
Grabe pala talaga kinikerry mo this past few weeks, no? Your dad is in the hospital, natanggal ka sa dean's list, nakipag-break sa'yo ex mo, tapos na-pressure ka ng prof mo. Wow, I could never. Okay na ba dad mo? I'll pray for him.
Salamat. Ikaw, tell me more about yourself. Sino ka ba, Miss Gail Torio?
There's nothing much about myself. My parents are divorced. I'm an only child. I love makeup. I love chicken. I love my course. I love whenever I make someone happy. I'm single and I never had a boyfriend.
Tama ka nga. There's nothing much about yourself.
I got excited kasi nagtanong ka. Well, I've talked to a lot of guys before but they never asked me about myself. Daldal lang sila ng daldal tungkol sa sarili nila, so thank you for asking me. Feeling ko important ako.
And thank you for trusting me. I mean, we've only met a few times pero I feel like we've known each other na.
Right, parang may connection. Anong wifi niyo?
Ang random mo talaga.
Being random is sometimes weird but cute.
Gaya nung pagsayaw mo kanina kahit walang music.
Stop!
Paano yun? We were walking tapos sabi mo,
Hindi ako ganyan sumaya, Brett.
sorry nung nagpaulan kasi ng talent sa sayaw, tulog pa ako.
Hey,
Parang late kaya yata, Miss Gail. Bigyan ng jacket yan!
Brett.
Sabi ko kasi sa'yo, sunduin na lang kita sa school niyo.
Hassle, tsaka dito naman tayo palagi nagkikita. Ano ba naman yung ako yung mag-adjust, diba?
Okay ka lang?
Parang dati lang ako yung nagtatanong yan,
Gail, bakit parang hinihingal ka? Tumakbo ka ba?
No, hindi ako tumakbo. May mga nagyasa lang sa harap ko.
You're pale.
I'm sorry, Brett.
Huh?
I'm sorry.
Gail! Bakit ayaw mo kang tignan, Gail?
I'm sorry, Brett.
For what?
Alam mo na sabi ni Mommy kinausap ka na raw niya.
Still wanna hear everything from you.
I'm sorry, I lied. Kaya ayoko pumupunta ka sa school namin kasi matagal na ako nag-drop out. Last year pa. Andito na talaga ako nakatira sa ospital. Gumagala ako, umaalis ako rito kasi I wanna feel normal again. Yung walang sakit. I'm only wearing a wig. Matagal na ako nagpakalbo because of chemotherapy.
Gail,
And then I met you. You said I gave you another reason to wake up, right? Well, Brett, you gave me another reason to fight for my life. I have cancer, Brett. And my doctor told me that I only have months to live. Kaya mo pa ba akong... Kaya mo pa ba akong pakisamahan?